In this video, I'll show you how to build complete sales funnels using Kajabi so you can turn leads into paying customers. Step 1. Create your offer. In Kajabi, start by setting up your product. This could be a course, membership, or digital download. Step 2. Build your landing page. Use Kajabi drag and drop page builder to design a clean, high converting page with a strong headline, benefits, and a call to action. Step 3. Add checkout and upsells. Kajabi lets you integrate a secure checkout page and add one-click upsells or order bumps to increase revenue. Step 4. Automate follow-ups. Use Kajabi's email sequences to nurture leads with personalized messages, reminders, and offers. Step 5. Track performance. Kajabi's analytics shows sign-ups, conversions, and revenues, so you can optimize your funnel for the better results. And that's it. With Kajabi, you can build a complete sales funnel from start to finish, all in one platform. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.